We all want to lose belly fat in just 1 to 2 weeks. But let's be honest, most people never get there. Do you know why? Because they lack a clear plan, a proper workout routine, and the discipline to stick to a clean diet. Even those who try following a diet or a workout plan often ends up cheating, giving in to cravings for junk food, spicy snacks, and late night temptations. And that's exactly where the progress stops. But if you had a simple, effective routine that actually works and does not leave you starving or exhausted, then how it would be? Before sharing those 9 exercises, I must say, for many people, trying to lose weight by the common advice, eat less and exercise more, often leads to frustration, constant hunger, and belly fat that just won't go away. According to the fat loss coaches, this traditional approach is deeply flawed. When we eat too little and work too much, our body lacks the nutrients it needs. That triggers cravings, especially for high-calorie foods, and often causes us to overeat. Instead of those less effective workouts, experts recommend a smarter, more sustainable solution: a 21-day fat-burning workout plan made up of 9 simple exercises. You can do it at home. Each move targets your core and cardiovascular system to help shed belly fat effectively without starving yourself. But without knowing the proper method, even these 9 steps will go waste. So watch this video till the end, because at the end, I have shared the proper way to implement these 9 exercises. Let's start. Number 1. High knees. Drive each knee up toward your chest quickly. This boosts your heart while firing up the core, quads, and hip flexors. Number 2. Bodyweight squats. Lower into a squat, keeping your chest up and pushing through your heels. This move targets quads, glutes, hamstrings, and burns calories fast. Number 3. Butt kickers. Jog in place while kicking your heels towards your glutes. It's a great cardio burst that also engages the lower belly. Number 4. High knee taps. Tap each raised knee with the same hand. This coordination-focused movement activates your abs, calves, and glutes. Number 5. Scatter lunges. Leap side to side, crossing one leg behind the other. The lateral motion sculpts glutes, inner thighs, and improves core stability. Number 6. Side-to-side punches. Stand in a semi-squat and punch across your body. This rotational move strengthens the obliques, arms, and shoulders. Before telling the top 3 exercises, I just want you to subscribe this channel if you want more such videos on how to improve yourself. Number 7. Opposite knee taps. A variation of high knee taps. This time, touch each knee with the opposite hand for added waistline burn and cardio intensity. Number 8. Side crunches. Lie on your back, knees bent, and crunch sideways toward each hip. This isolates and tones the obliques for a slimmer waist. Number 9. Cross crunches. From the same position, bring one elbow toward the opposite knee. This activates both upper and lower abs for full core engagement. Now, how to do this? Start with a 3-minute warm-up like jumping jacks, arm circles, or light jogging. Then perform all 9 exercises back to back by doing 50 reps each, or 25 per side if alternating. Rest for only 60 minutes between the gaps and repeat the circuit once more if time and energy allows you to lose your belly fat faster. But yeah, part this 21 days plan with balanced, nutrient-dense meals, proper hydration, and adequate sleep to maximize fat loss. And finally, put an end to the yo-yo cycle for good. Remember, consistency is the key. Don't aim for perfection. Just keep showing up. Subscribe this channel for more such health and wealth related videos.